Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to off the restricted setting from TikTok. We will start by opening TikTok and entering our profile. Here we will click on the upper drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. After this, click on Content Preferences. Here we will see the Restricted Mode option. We can click on it and choose the option to turn off restricted mode. It may ask you for the code to deactivate it. After putting it in, we can click on Next to continue, and the restricted mode will have been deactivated. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.